So in this video, we're going to change the background image for the password protected holding page. As you can see, I've already got an image here, but I'm not very happy with that. So we're going to go ahead and change this. First thing we need to do is get into the theme. Let's click on the Customize button. Okay, so let's click on the password page. So as you can see, two pages are pretty much the same. I'm going to change the logo first. So let's pick the logo. Let's save that. Let's go back to our page here. Let's refresh it. Logo's changed. Right. So under themes, we need to click on actions and edit the code. In this area, we need to go to the assets folder and click on theme.scss.liquid. Here, we need to do a search for password. And here on approximately line 4355, you can see the background image URL, which relates to this password page background.jpg, which you can see again in this assets area. So we're going to change that. But first, what we need to do is we need to upload the image. So let's go to preferences. Apologies. Settings. Files. Already got some images uploaded. We're going to use this image here. So let's find that. Right, I'm just going to save that. Let's give it another name, a bit simpler. We'll save that now. Let's go back to our assets. We're going to add a new asset here. It's okay, and I just saved it on my desktop. Let's upload that. Let's have a look at it. Let's copy that and replace this password page background. Save that. In this incognito window, let's refresh the page. The image is replaced.